Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another video of Christmas decorating, my favorite. If you are new here, my name is Josie. I am an interior designer, and this is my next video in my Christmas decorating series. In this video, we are going to touch on the bedrooms. If you are familiar with my channel, you will know what to expect in my daughter's room. I have several videos of decorating her room for Christmas. She has a pink tree. I can't wait to show you what I have in store, and let's get into it. So here's a quick look at my daughter's room before. We got her bookshelf in that corner, her little baby bed, and nightstand. Now, I fully intended this video to be on her room and my room, but I ordered a few things for my room. They didn't come in time, and I felt like I didn't have enough Christmas decor to fully justify a Christmas video for that room. If you don't already know, I recently made over that room, so it's still coming together on its own. So definitely stay tuned for next year for the Christmas decor in that room. Okay, so first things first, we need to empty out this corner because this is where her tree goes. So I'm going to be moving her nightstand to the other side of the bed and her little doll bed to another area within the room. Okay. All right, so we're doing Zara's stuff. She got a whole bin for herself.
And I got my camera.
She already started putting things on the tree.
And I got my camera.
She got her own little camera set up. Let me see your tree so far.
It has some snow in it.
She already put snow in it. And now we're doing the lollipop. We're doing Candyland again. Gingerbread houses, super cute. My daughter and I truly enjoy this process. This has become a full-blown tradition, so we are really excited when Christmas time comes around. I am just helping her finish out the tree. I think she wanted to take a break, so I'm filling out the tree with the rest of the ornaments. And I have these velvet ornaments, I have the donut ornaments, and then I have already stuffed the tree with these like fluffy white pieces that act as snow, and you'll see I'll continue to add more later. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. It's already pretty full. And then we just unearthed a whole new collection of ornaments that we forgot about. So we have these. Show them the garland. We have this whole gingerbread garland.
Yeah, we have all this, but we're gonna put this one because that the other one is the ballerina one. So we're gonna put the gingerbread one.
So we're doing Candyland again this year. We have this whole thing of picks that I typically do this first, but she started without me. She was so excited. So we had to put those in, and then we had this whole bag filled with other candy gingerbread ornaments from Hobby Lobby. We got macaroons. So we have plenty more ornaments to go. Okay, so now I'm just filling in the deep spaces. So a tip if you are going for a fuller look and you have a thin tree is if you do have leftover ornaments like I do, or you just want to buy ornaments to fill it up, you can put these ornaments deep within the center of the tree, and that way it will give you the illusion of a fuller tree. Okay, and this is what it looks like, and this is the full tree. She really wanted the Z on the top, so I gave that to her. Now it's time to tackle the rest of the room. I am just removing the fall decor that was in here and replacing it with Christmas. If you can't already tell, I really enjoy decorating my daughter's room. It gives me an outlet to involve some whimsy and lightheartedness and playful colors and things like that I don't have in my room. So we really enjoy this, and my daughter is fully involved. Here she completely cleaned her own dresser, and now I'm just placing these trees that we had from last year and her cute little nutcracker that she adores. We will be placing a mirror on top of her dresser pretty soon and getting rid of her baby pictures because she's growing up. And I had to put the advent calendar in her room this year because she loves moving the tree every day. And these are just more trees just to decorate her little shelfie. Her room was originally designed by me to have a floral theme, but over the years we've just incorporated so many other things that she loves, and lots of pink because that's her favorite color. I talked about this sheet set in my most recent haul, so check that out if you haven't seen it already, but we are loving it. It's the perfect touch of pink and Christmas all at the same time. So now when it comes to this, sometimes we have to break the design rules, and she was obsessed with this stocking when we were Christmas shopping. So I got it for her, and it does not match, but she wants it in her room. So there it is. And thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below. It really is helpful for pushing out these videos. I appreciate you taking out the time out of your day to support my video. And until next time, God bless.